So we're at the back of a 2005 Luton LT35, which belongs to another Adam that's here with me now behind the camera, so thanks for filming. So it's a really cool truck. So at the back you've got a tail lift, which you can use as a deck if you want to. He's got a bike rack on the back, which I really like. And then there's these big double glazed patio doors, which is really cool. That's a load of light features in, but let's head inside and show you something. So he's just bought this, so it's a little bit sparse at the moment. He's not kitted it out yet. So, but on the right hand side or the left hand side as you walk in, there's a really nice like dinette area here. Does this table come up and down?
It moves along to the side and right, so okay, right along the baton there. Yeah, you can take it out as well, so you can make it into a bed if you wanted to, like a small, really small single bed. So
there you go. So dining area and also bed. And then over here, there's a really nice big double glazed window where you're going to wash up and do your cooking. Actually not your cooking, because your cooking's outside, but you're washing up. So, and I really like the little crisscross
like a cottage.
And so under the counter he's got a domestic fridge, which is 230 volts, which runs off of a Victron inverter, which I'm guessing is like 800?
500.
Oh, 500. Okay, that's a pretty small inverter. But yeah, household fridge that runs with 500 watt inverter, which is Victron. And then under here, some under sink storage with a water pump.
And an accumulator in there as well, and the switch as well for the pump.
Okay, and they've also got some vents in there as well to allow airflow. And then over here in this corner, which I really like, there's a hot water heater in this van. So in this cupboard,
there's another latch on the right side as well. So you open this one, just there on that side.
Okay. So in here at the moment is gas storage, which you said that's going to be replaced, is it?
Yeah, probably get an underslung LPG tank.
Yeah.
Or just a bottle again, but a refillable one. Something.
Yeah. So that potentially will be replaced with a underslung tank.
But that's a big one anyway. That should last a while.
Yeah. It's like a 13 or something.
13 kilo.
Yeah. And then here is a boiler which is vented out of the roof. So he's actually got hot water for washing up and showering, which is a really nice feature. And did you say you can shower outside the van too?
Yeah, there's a tap out the back.
Yeah, so there's a tap out the back that you can shower with as well. So let's just lock that up. I really like the how they've sanded that back. And then over here there's a little oven hob, which is apparently from France, and it's really cute. It's actually something like I want in the van I'm doing at the moment, but
apparently they just found it. It was just covered in grease. They just found it somewhere in an abandoned place.
That's really cool.
Yeah, they just cleaned it all up.
And then this, I guess, doubles as stairs.
Yeah, steps, stairs, extra seating, dog bed. Yeah.
Which that leads up into the bedroom area up here, which again has a beautiful big double glazed window in the side of the Luton box there. So you can park upside on to nice views, and when you wake up in the morning you've got either a glorious view of the beach or of Tesco's car park. Yeah, it's really nice.
Some 12-volt sockets at the top there as well.
Yeah,
convenient for charging your devices.
So you can charge your phones up there. And then down here there's a little door which opens up. You've got an emergency hatch through to the front of the cab. So those seats there flip, like tilt forwards, and then you can actually access the driver's seat, or I guess in a rush you could just like hurdle over.
Absolutely. I mean, the thing I want to put in is I want to put a peephole in the door as well, just for extra security, to see what's going on outside, and if we need to bolt one night, then we can.
Cool. And then was it up here? Yeah, we've got the solar charge unit. So just in here, so this vehicle does have, it's got 230 volts that's coming off the inverter, So they've got an RCD dual switch there, which comes from the inverter, and then,
you just have to push it quite hard. And
then they've done actually a really nice, neat job in here of the electrical. So there's not much coming off of the fuse box here, but you've got an MPPT charge controller, which looks like a 40 amp. Yeah, it's a 40 amp, so it's a nice big controller. So you can probably get some more panels up on the roof with that. Actually, if you wanted.
There's 200 and there's about 400 odd watts up there already.
Okay, yeah, so you're about maxed out.
Yeah,
you can go up to about 5, I guess, with that. But you could add a little bit more on the roof if you want to, and then the fuse box over here. I really like these ones because when you get a fuse failure, they light up, so you know exactly which fuse has gone out. Yeah, so it's a little nice, neat electronic cupboard. And then over to this side, you've got a full-size shower in there, and toilet with a skylight as well. So when you're showering,
you can let all the steam out.
Yeah, let all the steam out. But anyway, thanks for showing me the van, and yeah, I hope you've enjoyed the inspiration from a Luton van.
Yeah.